Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all in this video. In this video we'll talk about one trade which I took on Friday in stock futures, and in this video I will explain you how with just one lot I made about 30% return on my capital trading stock futures. Yes, with just one lot you can make also a good return on your capital. So in this video we'll learn about the reason behind taking the trade, the logic behind the taking the trade, where to put stop loss and where to keep the target, and how the risk management works. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into my screen. So this is a chart of stock name Indus Tower. I took this trade on 20 of August and I held it for 2 days. Now I will explain you the reason why I took this trade and what was the reason behind holding this trade and taking the long positions. Now if you look at focus on this chart, the stock fell on 7th of July, right? It made an open high and from there it fell from 422 and it fell to around 330, right? Now it's 100 points loss in this stock. Right? So now I was tracking this stock for a reversal setup. So this setup works for a reversal. Let's say if a stock is falling and you have to catch the reversal, from there it takes support and go back to its levels. So now we'll focus on the reversal setup. So now what I saw is that when stock started falling, so one nature of reversal is when stock falls, right, to reverse back to its level, it has to go through some consolidation. Then only I will say it's a proper, reversal. For example, I'll show you. For example, I'll draw a chart here. Let's say this stock fell, right? It will come up. So to find this reversal, the stock has to go through certain things. For example, a valid reversal will only be called when let me remove this. When the stock will fall, it will consolidate, right? It will consolidate and make a support resistance, and then when it's breakout, will take the trade in the market. This is where you will enter. This will be your entry, right? I'll write it entry, and you keep the target of next resistance, or 1:2 or 1:5. Same thing happened here. Let me remove it. Let me remove these things. So let's look at our Indus Tower chart. So it fell on 7th of August, it fell. Now can you see one consolidation which is happening around here? Right, this is the consolidation that is happening, right? Let me draw this again. Yes, it fell, right? Now it is consolidating here, right? And here it gave a breakout. So I did nothing. Let me zoom in. Let me draw this box again. Yes, so I did nothing here. Let me zoom in, and I bought a futures. I didn't bought the call option, I bought the futures of this target and I exited. Let me go into 5 minutes. This is 1 hour chart. Let me go back to 5 minutes. Yes, and I kept the stop loss just below here. Yes, I exited around here, right? So you can see, let me go to 15 minutes. Yes, so as soon as the box breaked out, right, I bought a futures trading here. Now I bought it around 345.50, right? I bought it around here. Yes, when the 5-minute candle closed above this box, I bought a futures positions and I booked somewhere around here. So this was the reason. The logic was very simple. Now when the stock fell from 442 levels, it came to 330. Right, after which it was consolidating for long time, right? It has been consolidating from 6th of August, and on 19th of August, almost 12 days, the stock consolidated after falling, found a support close to 332, and after finding a support, it gave a breakout of this box, and I just took a position. Now still there is a space left at close to 378. Even the stock can go to 378, but Looking at the overall market, looking at the Nifty fell below 25,000, so I exited the position. Even if let's say if I see a trade where the stock comes around here at 343, I may take a buying position in this, in this stock. So this was the reason behind taking the trade. This was the logic behind taking the trade. I hope you would have learned a lot, right? I have shown you the concept of how to find a reversal in a falling stock. First thing is that it has to consolidate for a longer time. Second thing, it has to close with a strong volume. At least in 15-minute candle, it has to close outside of the box. Then only we'll plan for a buying trade in a falling stock. Otherwise, we will not. It has to consolidate for minimum 10 to 15 days. Same thing happened. Look, from 6th of August, it has been consolidating to close to around 20 of August. So almost 14 days it has been consolidating, right? 14 days it has been trading in a range after falling. So definitely this reversal sounds promising to me, and I bought this trade in this stock. So this was the reason behind this trade, and I made about this much profit on my capital on this trade. So definitely with just 1-2 lot, and people tell me that why this small profit doesn't even matter that much. I have a different account where I trade with 5-10 lots, but in this with this account I trade only with 1 or 2 lot, because a lot of people come in this market with just small capital. Some people come with 20, 25, 30,000. They just want to try it out whether they can be successful or not. But due to social media presence, and lot of people will tell you no, at least you need 10, 15, 20 lakh capital to become a successful trader. I don't think so, right? Remember, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started with 5,000 rupees, and today his net worth is above 80,000 crores. Now tell me which stock he has invested which has given him this much return. No, even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was a trader, right? So trading will give you money if you are right, and if you have a right people with you who will explain you the reason and logic behind the trade, not just sell you courses, right? So one setup I have in today's video, I have shown you how to find a reversal in stock, and you can also trade stocks and make good money by trading stocks. More than Nifty and Bank Nifty, I prefer trading in stocks. It's not like I don't trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. I do trade. But me personally, I like trading stocks more than Nifty, Bank Nifty. That's just me. Some people are very good in Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'm find personally comfortable in trading stocks. So this is it for today's video. I hope you would have learned a lot. Take notes. Next time when you find this setup, next time when you want to find a reversal, you know how to approach the market and how to take the positions in the market, right? Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.